Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial we will see how to work with um, in a blender tool, and basically we are going to design a structure of a 3D bulb. Okay, so first what we will do for that, I need to take a structure of let me delete it first. I'll delete it, and after that I need to add you know so first what we will do, we will add a structure of a let's say I'm going to add a UV sphere. Okay, so this UV sphere, there are two ways of making bulb basically. So I'm going to show both the ways, one using only object mode and one using your edit mode. Okay, fine. So what I will do now, I'll just show you how to work with this. Okay, how to make a bulb using object mode. Fine. So basically so first what we'll do, we'll just S and scale bulb, select and scale because I want to make a big bulb. Okay, and after once you've done this one, you need to shift this, you need to shift it little up. So I'll press G and I'll move it up, and after that I need a cylinder basically. So I'll just take control and shift and A press again, and I'll take a cylinder here. It's okay, and I'll make sure the cylinder size should be a little big. Okay, so that it will act as a holder part. Z, then G, then Z. So this is going inside the bulb. Okay, I think the size of the bulb is very big, too big compared to the bulb. Okay, so you have to see from all the views. Okay, it's nothing like you have to see from the only one side. If you see it from the one side, now what will happen, one illusion will create that your object is correct. So make sure when you're working with this 3D designing, you have to see the object from all the views. Okay, so from all the views you have to check whether the bulb is correct or not. So what I need to do is I'll just press shift, I'll check the views by pressing the buttons number pad. So I'm pressing 1 here, and what I will do, I'll just take this G little up more in Z direction. Okay, like that. Okay, and after doing so, after I'm going to add 2 more cylinders which is going to act as a knob. Okay, which hold the bulb in the holder, right? So take 2 more cylinders, and after taking cylinder, we need to reduce the size of the cylinder. Okay, make it little big so that it will fit. So I'm making a scale. Okay, then press G and Z. So you think I need to scale it first. First I'm scaling it. Okay, then again you have to press scale and then in the Z direction. Yes, then I will rotate this one to 90 degree, then I'll press R and write 90 degree in x-axis. So basically leave again and just press R, and x-axis I have to rotate and 90 degree. Okay, it's not rotating. Let's try one more time. Rotate x-axis and then 90. It's not turning. Maybe the angle what we are choosing that is not correct. So you have to select rotate, press rotate, and after that rotate it towards y-axis, y and then 90. Let's check it works not. No, this is not working. So I think some mistake is there. We are going through some mistakes. Okay, just a second. So I have done the rotation, you can see here, and after that what I will do, I will take this object and I'll connect it to the bulb's corner so that it will act like there's a holder or knob. So I'm seeing from all the sides whether my knob is inside the bulb or not. Okay, so once you fit this one, you have to see from all the sides as I said, otherwise one illusion will create that everything is fine. So press G and just shift it a little bit down, and I think I need to scale this one a little bit. It's very big. Yes, now you can fit it inside. Then press G and you need to move it towards y-axis. Move toward y-axis, make sure just connect it. Yes, and after that you have to press shift T. What will happen, the copy of this will happen and you have to connect to the other side. Okay, make sure it is connected on both the sides. Okay, these knobs. Okay, so what I'll do, this is not perfect I think, so I'll make G and I'll just move it to the x-axis. Now it is perfect I think. Okay, the knobs will be there outside. Okay, both the end. So press again So click on a knob again. So sometimes it's time taking and time consuming more. So press G again, and you have to, because it takes lots of adjusting, and make sure it should be similar looking both sides. Okay, so this is, I'll just push this one a little bit inside, then G, and moving towards the y-axis. Fine. So I think now it is equal both the sides. It's looking like a bulb. So what I'll do now, I'll just right click on this, and then shade smooth I'll apply. Select the object first, shade smooth. Same I'll do with this also, shade smooth. So here you can see this is the structure of a bulb. Okay, now what you can do, you can do one thing. Where is my light? My light is here, so that's why the object, if I move the light, let's say in this direction, then you can able to see what is actually happening. Let's say I'm moving my light, it's here, so I want to move my light towards y-axis, so I'm taking the light little far, G, and then in the y-axis. So what will happen? Let's check. G and z-axis, it's gone somewhere. Even lights create an effect on the object. Okay, so I'm just trying to see that effect. Okay, so this is how you can adjust the lights and everything, so that object will appear clearly. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.